how do you install .os on the Samsung Galaxy Tab E T560 and T561? What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna be talking about how to install .os on the Samsung Galaxy Tab E 9.6, T560 and T561. So the first thing you have to do is press a combination. So you have to restart the tablet, which is pretty easy. I don't need to tell you that. And then what you have to do is press the power button, the volume down button, and the home button. But I have already done that, so yeah. And now what you have to do is go onto the computer. And then what you do is you want to go into Odin, which is pretty easy. And now we're in Odin. So what you have to do is you have to go to AP, and now when you press AP, you go to the download, you go to whatever folder you put. You can go to whatever folder you put the TWRP recovery. In my case, I put it in the desktop, and then you just press TWRP and then click open. Now the program will not respond. It will just say not responding for a bit. Now when it says, so now as you have done this, just start it and it will start. So the Samsung Galaxy Tab E will just restart. It will just restart, and then what you would do is that you will minimize this window. You will close the window, and then you have to, and then as it's connected to the PC, you have to find it, go to the tablet or whatever, and now you have to drag. So guys, then you have to copy the T560 or T561.os file to the tablet, and then it will start moving it. Just wait, it will take a bit of while because the tablet storage is slow. So I'll see you when it is done copying. Now it has stopped. So then you have to drag open gaps, which is just open gaps is just like it's like a Play Store. It's an open source Google Apps. It will give you Google Apps like the Play Store, the Play Services, all of that shenanigans. And then when you're done with that, that's clap on the back. But we are not done. So now as you have copied the ISO, as you have copied the zip file to the tablet, now what you have to do is now you have to shut it down completely. So just press the power button. It's really easy. Power off, and there you go. It's done. done powering off. Sorry, the camera, I'm not filming this on a phone, it's just a stupid webcam, so it's pretty hard to handle it. But now what you have to do is press the power button and the volume down button, the home button. You have to press the power, volume up, and power and home button. So now you are in the Team Win recovery project, as you can see, we're in it. So what you have to do is click install. Now it will show you a zillion folders. Now scroll down where you find Sm-t560.os v4.zip. So you press that and then you confirm to flash. So you just press that and it will just flash the operating system T56. It will just flash the .os file. So I'll see you I'll catch you later when it installs. So guys, when it gets finished, as you can see, it has been finished. It has completely done it. It has completely installed the .os. Now you have to go back, and now you have to install open gaps. So just press that and then swipe, and now it will be installing. Open gaps. So just let that install and I'll catch you when it's done. Now guys, it is done. So what you have to do is you have to reboot the system. So just press reboot and now it will reboot into .os. As you can see, the Samsung Galaxy logo comes up, but then shortly the .os logo comes up. It will take a while for it to install. It will take a while for it to load the setup. So I'll catch you when it's done. Guys, it will take a while for it to install. So just drink your coffee. I think just drink your coffee. That is the only best thing you can do while it's loading the OS. Now guys, as you can see, it has successfully installed. Now you can do whatever you want, like sign it in with a Google account, which you could do. You could sign it into a Google account because it already has the Play Store included. That's really cool. Because we installed that suspicious package. It's not suspicious, but we installed it. Now for some reason the home button is not working. I don't know why, but that is a problem with my tablet. The home button is destroyed, sorry. That's really cool. So now if you go to the Play Store, it will ask you to sign in, so you can just sign in. Yeah, so guys, my name is Sm-t560. This is Tech Savvy, and I'll catch you in the next one.